Hello, Chargers. This is our second lesson in Chapter 7, Lesson 1, and we're going to talk about classifying polynomials. It's actually a very simple process. This is our first look at a polynomial. Just to go over it, a binomial would be 5x plus 2. Remember, a monomial will be 5x. And then if you look at the concept here, trinomial is x squared plus 5x plus 2. And so it's called a trinomial because it has three terms. There's some vocab here that you guys can focus on if you want. We'll just get rid of that and get rid of that. And every polynomial has a degree. We talked about that in the lesson before. What we're going to talk about, though, is standard form. And there is a standard form or an agreed-upon form that polynomials should be written in. And it has everything to do with the powers in that particular polynomial. We'll go right to example 2. We're going to focus right here on this that problem right there. We have 15x minus x to the third plus 3. And before you guys get started writing this in standard form, I want you to circle the three different terms. There's one there, and I want you to be careful because we want to grab the sign to the left of each term. That's really important when we start moving things around. And so if we put this in standard form, we got to look at the variables. There's an x and an x to the third. And the one with the highest power is supposed to be listed first. So we're going to take this, negative 3x to the third. That goes first. And then this happens to be a positive 15x. So there are no x squareds. There's just an x to the first here, 15x to the first. So that goes next. And because it's a positive 15x, we can say plus 15x. And then what's left over is a plus 3. And so if you'll notice in writing a polynomial in standard form, your exponents have an order to them. Largest exponent first, and then this is actually the first power, that's next. And then the monomial without a variable is last. So that is how you get something into standard form.